Looking for the best USB-C cable that are actually worth your money? Today, I've picked the top 5 best USB-C cable that are available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and customer reviews. You can find the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started. Starting with our first pick, Braided USB-C cable. This 10-foot USB-C to USB-C cable is a practical choice for anyone who wants fast charging, reliable data transfer, and extra reach. Supporting up to 66W charging with USB PD and 480 megabits per second data speeds, it offers a solid balance for everyday smartphones, tablets, and other USB-C devices. The built-in safety features help manage voltage fluctuations, adding reassurance while charging compatible electronics. Its standout advantage is durability. The premium nylon braided exterior, reinforced joints, and 40,000 bend testing are designed to resist tangling, fraying, and repeated daily wear. The generous 10-foot length is especially convenient when using a phone from bed, a sofa, or a car seat without staying close to the outlet. With 2 cables included and broad USB-C compatibility, this set provides useful flexibility for home, travel, and office use, backed by a 12-month warranty. Next up is Xeric USB-C cable. This 6-foot USB-C to USB-C cable is a practical choice for users who want fast charging, durability, and convenient spares in one package. Supporting PD 3.0, QC 3.0, and QC 4.0 at up to 60W, it can efficiently power compatible phones, tablets, and laptops while offering 480 megabits per second data transfer for everyday syncing. The nylon braided exterior, aluminum connectors, reinforced stress points, and claimed 40,000 plus bend resistance give it a sturdy feel suited to frequent use. I also like the 3-pack approach, with orange, blue, and black cables, making them easy to distinguish and useful for keeping one at home, one at work, and one in a travel bag. Broad USB-C compatibility adds versatility across Apple, Samsung, Google, and other devices. The 6-foot length provides useful reach, while the included long-term replacement coverage adds extra reassurance for buyers. Coming in at number 3 is Inwi USB-C cable. The Inwi 240W USB-C to USB-C cable is designed for users who want maximum charging performance across phones, tablets, laptops, and gaming devices. Its high-power 240W capability can deliver impressive charging speeds, with the advertised results reaching 71% on iPhone 15 series, 88% on MacBook Pro, 91% on iPad Pro, 84% on Samsung S23, and 65% on Steam Deck in 30 minutes when paired with a suitable high-output charger. The broad compatibility makes it especially versatile for modern USB-C setups, while the Mark 2.0 chip adds intelligent power management and temperature monitoring for safer charging. INIU also emphasizes premium materials and backs the cable with a 3-year INIO Care warranty, which adds confidence for long-term use. Overall, it is a strong option for anyone replacing multiple charging cables with one high-capacity, future-ready solution. Now number 4, Ugreen USB-C cable. This 240W USB-C to USB-C cable is a versatile charging solution for users who need high power and broad device compatibility. With support for 240W, 140W, 100W, 60W, and 30W chargers, it can deliver impressive charging performance, including the advertised ability to charge an iPhone 15 from 0% to 85% in 35 minutes when paired with a suitable charger. It also claims to reach 88% on a MacBook Pro and 92% on an iPad Pro in under 35 minutes, making it useful for both mobile and high-power devices. The durable nylon braided construction withstands 10,000 plus bends while remaining tangle-resistant for easier storage. An eMarker smart chip and 56K Omega resistors help regulate power delivery and provide smoother, safer charging. Compatibility with laptops, phones, tablets, Steam Deck, and Switch makes this a practical all-in-one cable for home, office, or travel. And finally, our last pick is Anker USB-C cable. The Anker USB-C to USB-C cable combines high-speed charging durability, and a more sustainable design in a 10-foot length that adds useful flexibility for everyday setups. With support for up to 240W output, it can handle everything from smartphones and tablets to demanding laptops, while USB-F certification adds confidence in reliable charging performance. Anker claims it can charge an iPhone 16 to 50% in about 30 minutes when paired with a 30W charger. Its bio-braided nylon exterior uses plant-derived materials from sources such as corn and sugarcane, reducing petroleum consumption by an estimated 30 to 40%. Durability is another highlight, with the cable tested through 10,000 bends, making it well-suited to frequent use. Overall, it is a versatile, long-reach USB-C cable that balances powerful charging, rugged construction, and a lower-impact material choice, backed by a 24-month warranty. So those are the top 5 best USB-C cable you can buy right now. If this video helped you make a better buying decision, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.